What's that word, relatives? Welcome back to Learning and Building, where we learn, we build, and we grow. Today we're going to do a comprehensive dive type tutorial on how to use Streamlabs for your live streams, for your screen recordings, edited videos, your podcasts. Yeah, we'll get into all that. But before we jump into that, let's talk about Streamlabs, right? So you'll download this right here. You hit this button. I'll go ahead and click it. And then I'll go ahead and leave it because I don't need to download it again. So we'll close that out. Boom. So you'll want to download that, right? And then you'll want to hit this nice little sign up button. Boom. I hit that sign up button, right? You'll create an email and a password if you don't already have an email. But if you do have an email, just add the password. Make it a different password. Know what you're doing. And that'll bring you to this screen right here to log in. And you can either log in with that email and password you set up, right? Or you can log in with Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or even X. You know what I mean? And there's some other jits, Trovo, TikTok. You can log in with Picarto, and you can even log in with PayPal. Interesting. I didn't even know that. See, Streamlabs teaches me something new I didn't know every day. Yeah, and that'll bring you to. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and log in. A nice little dashboard, you know, it tells you everything you need to know, and you can go ahead and play around with this. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna log out. So once you do that, you launch the software, you set up the stream, you'll see that screen I just showed you. So scenes, you'll want to set up your scenes as soon as you get in, like such. Give me one moment. Boom. So now you see that I have everything set up, right? So if I wanted to make a new scene, what I would do is go right here, add a new scene. Boom. And then if you want to add like cool tools and all that good stuff, you would click sources, right? And then you would add any of these, man. You can add a color block, you can add image, slideshow, your window capture, man. It's a ton of stuff. Like I said, I don't want to hold you, but there's a tip goal you can set up, chat box, stream box for like the Twitch users, the ones that stream the games and all that good jazz. Your user interface, as I like to call it, right? So, you can set up alerts, and you would click add source. This button right here, you would click that. And it would tell you everything you need to know about all the good stuff you need to know. Correct. They got apps in here. They don't got many apps, and that's where they kind of lack at a little bit. All in all, everything is all good, And then we'll go back to all real quick so I can show you some more. Subscription goal, media share, super chat goal. You can even make your own widget with this here for my coders. This is Streamlabs in a nutshell. I mean, there's other content out there that you can look at, and you can see what you need to figure out what you want to do. And you can do overlays. It's crazy. Overlays are crazy. I think I'm gonna pull this back over here and show y'all the overlays. Watch this. Boom. So you click overlays, right? You got all your cool overlays right here, right? And I love that. Like, right, you got Christmas. You got stuff for the gamers. You got Cyber Nights. And you would just click one of these, install it. And they have a couple of different plans, but I always do the Ultra. I do the Ultra, right? So, boom, viewers can tip, and a alert will pop up on the stream. The content creators use this platform. Widgets. Widgets are interactive elements like chat boxes, donation tickers, stream labels. Boom. And then about the alerts and overlays, right? There's a variety of alert animations and overlay designs. We could walk you through some of them, like next stream, live stream, tune in. I'll probably do a lot of that with y'all. We'll create our own little overlay and alerts, but it's really a piece of cake. Once you get in there and you play around with it, it's very easy. Before going live, you should probably want to test your stream to make sure everything looks and sounds good. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to click this little gear icon, right? And multi-streaming. Your stream, I immediately stream to YouTube. Immediately, right? And then there's some settings you can also play with, audio, video, hotkeys, and those are pretty much your shortcuts. Like, say I wanted to do F+6 to close the stream, that's all I would have to hit. Then there's advanced. I love advanced settings. Advanced settings is pretty much the bread and butter when you want to really win. You know what I mean, in the streaming game. Okay. And then like when you want to go live, right? You want to hit this button, go live, right? It already has it set up to where you can get your tips. Just put it in the description box. 360 video made for kids. And you can do all this from here, and YouTube will automatically pick it up. So I can stream to Facebook if I wanted, TikTok if I want. So like I said, it has a lot of features, right? So it's a suite of creator tools. And I quote, you got Desktop Ultra, you got Web Suite Ultra. You can monetize your channel and beyond. Streamlabs Mobile Ultra, Streamlabs Console, Talk Studio Pro, Video Editor Pro, Cross-Clip Pro, Podcast Editor Pro. Feature. Even he's smiling, he's happy, right? So pretty much what I'm trying to get you to is just automatically just go to the Ultra, right? Like, you know, see what the Ultra's talking about. If you don't like it, you don't like it. But if you love it, you love it, correct, right? You can collab cam. So I was like, well, let me try them out. It don't hurt to try them out. I promise, since I found them, I don't go live often because I'm already planning a lot of content, me and the team. But you get access to overlays, over 1,000 overlays if you join this one here. And it's $19 a month. Or you could just say, screw it, I'm gonna do the year. It's $149, right? Let's zoom it in for you, right? So you already see it right here, right? Multi-stream, dual output, seamless creative workflow. It already gets to going for you. Like if you go live, the workflow will go with you and be like, well, let me add this to your chat. Let me add this to your screen. Whatever workflow you set up, man. The opportunities are endless. Possibilities are endless, right? You got App Store, limited free apps versus an access full app library, 60 plus apps, tips, no fee tipping for the starter, right? But you can get a custom tip page and domain if you decide to go with the Ultra. And you would just click join annual down here. But yeah, you can design and sell branded merch, profit margins. So if I click join annual, right, it's gonna take me here. If I wanted to log in, I can go ahead and log in. Like I said, this is my platform right here. I be using YouTube a lot, man. If you ever have any questions, like watch. Stream. And then boom, it'll pull up some stuff about it. You might have to dance around in here a little bit. But they do update it. Like this is February 8th. And this shouldn't scare you, right? Because once they already answer the questions, all you have to do is go find it. Cloudbot's having problems. Well, that was 3 years ago, so I'm pretty sure it's fine now, right? Put down in the comments if I missed anything that I should have put in there. Put down in the comments if you would like to see more about Streamlabs, because I'm your guy, man. It's about to be a lot more streaming, a lot more content. Basic Cloudbot, custom name Cloudbot. And Cloudbot's interesting, right? Like I haven't ran into any issues, but it is a learning curve to set up. So yeah, that's in a nutshell, Streamlabs. I got the links coming in the description. We're popping off. I hope this helped you. I want to create awesome live streams and grow your audience so we can get monetized. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials and content. Appreciate you for watching. Love yourself. It's up.